Pakistan's Supreme Court has ordered that the former Prime Minister, Imran Khan, be moved from jail to hospital. He could now be transferred within 48 hours. Imran Khan has been in prison since August 2023 over corruption allegations. Zlfy Bkhari, an advisor to Imran Khan, joins me now. And you must be very pleased with this decision by the Supreme Court. You were arguing for this recently. You were arguing for this on this very programme 2 weeks ago.
That's right, Mark. Thank you again for taking me on. But, you know, we've been saying this for a while, that he's been in solitary. It has its certain effects over 7 months, no contact with the outside world. And it's really caused a real effect on his health, which is shown in actually a report given to the Supreme Court by the administration itself, where it shows his heart rate's gone up, palpitations, anxiety, you know, which caused the underlying issues to his eye. So we really hope that this goes through in the next 48 hours.
Yeah, I mean, I've seen the medical report, or what is purporting to be the medical report. A problem seems to be, as you say, an eye issue, problem with his sight. The report doesn't seem to suggest that his life is in danger, which some supporters have been fearing.
Well, you know, his health has deteriorated a lot, and the authorities aren't going to issue a report saying that we've, you know, nearly killed him or his life is in danger. We're actually quite pleased that they actually issued this report from the doctors that saw him, and every doctor that saw him said he should be in a hospital. What is he doing here? Reality is, Mark, that we wish that this happened 7-8 months earlier, so that whatever has taken toll on Imran Khan wouldn't have. And we've been shouting and screaming and crying about it, as you know, for many months now. And you've had Amnesty International, UN, all calling for the same. However, we hope it goes smoothly. But just before getting on to this interview, I just saw that the law minister of the government has said, you know, that he feels that the Supreme Court has acted out of its parameters and they'll go for a review. So, you know, it's a circus, really. But we just hope that, you know, some politicians within this sort of regime have a bit of decency and aren't shameless.
Because that is the big question, isn't it? Whether the government will actually adhere to the Supreme Court order and move him to hospital.
Exactly. I mean, just putting it in context, when Nawaz Sharif was in prison in our government, we allowed him to go abroad on basically a 50 rupee stamp paper basis, and his brother, who's the prime minister now, gave the Supreme Court the guarantee that he'll be back in 2 weeks. You know, he didn't come back for 4.5 years later. So you can see the difference between the quality of leadership, whereas now they're trying to stop him from a Supreme Court order. And when our cabinet got presented with Nawaz Sharif's medical history, we allowed him to even go abroad.
I mean, if they don't move him to hospital, how do you think his supporters would react?
Well, look, we have a very big protest, a nationwide protest taking place on the 27th of September, regardless. We're in full preparations to take the streets peacefully and show our strength on the road. I mean, this thing is the Supreme Court judgment today is a very welcome step towards, you know, having more of a healing hand and peace within the country, and calling to the demands of letting him have the right medical attention. But that doesn't mean that, you know, we're going to call off our 27th September protest at the moment. And if they don't, they're going to go for a review, and we hope that the Supreme Court sticks by its guns and rejects the review and puts the government under contempt.